This is the elevator at the Gamma Medical Center at RIDC in O'Hara, Pennsylvania. And it's a ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic with Aurora fixtures. And the light in here is flickering like crazy, but it's probably not as visible on camera. It's an Oildraulic, or holeless hydraulic, yeah. Cut the two, and here we go, got a vertical now. I guess it is visible on camera. Here, two. Go back down to one. Certificate installed in 2005, 88 phone. It's a basic cab. It's a very basic office building. It's very generic. The elevator is a little different, but labeled ThyssenKrupp, not Marshall. Here, back to one. There, close this and that's gonna be it.